Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make creamy computer salad. So, okay, we got the container, we got cucumber, so we got sour cream, mayonnaise, sugar, garlic powder, we got lemon juice. So we've got garlic and also we've got dill and MSG, of course. So let's get cracking. Get a knife and cut. Get the bad one out of the way. So we're going to put the cucumber in the container. I'm just going to try it first and see. Okay. So we've got the red onion. We're going to cut. Yeah. Ah, you ran away from me. Hate that. So we're going to do. So we're going to do one and a half cups of red onion. So we're going to put that in the container. So we're going to take all this. So I think we need a let's see. We need the other half. So we're going to put the red onions in here. So my cooking skills are not that great. Cut all that out because we don't need it. Oh, actually, I think this might actually fold it up. So we're going to put the green onion in here. So what's next? So we're going to do, so we got the sour cream. So we're going to do 1.5 cups. sour cream. I'm just going to get a spoon. So we put the sour cream in here. So I put, so 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So that's 1. So that's 2. So that's 3. Oh crap. Chop the dill. Ouch. Yeah, of course. Hit myself before I go bowling. So dill goes in here. Maybe a little bit more. I don't think this is not cheese. Yep, that's. So I'm going to put the dill in here. So we're just going to do 1. What is it? We're going to do 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Just for the extra. And then what else? Actually, I might do it. Okay, I'm just gonna. So what's next? So 1. Let's get 1 big one. So we're going to do 1 big one and 1 small one. So it's 1, and then the 2. And then next it will be salt to taste. No, I don't know how much the salt goes. Our salt. I'm going to do a pinch of MSG, of course. So I'm going to shake it all up. Okay, see how it looks. Says it's creamy, but okay. Look at that. If you guys want to try this recipe, I'll write the recipe down below. Subscribe, put a notification bell for more videos down the line. Running is out, but also this can be a lunch or dinner recipe. So for the summer times, yummy.